This is how you increase your sales without overspending on ads. In this video, I will explain how to use the fear of missing out to ethically convince more people to buy your offer. Hi guys, my name is Panagiotis and I am the founder of UberDigit, a digital services agency based in Nicosia. Over the past 6 years, we have helped many businesses to grow their online sales using simple strategies like the one I will explain today. So the strategy I will explain today is how to use the element that is currently missing from your offer and it is hurting your sales. Are you ready? Before going on, let me tell you how I have learned this simple strategy the hard way, sadly, but still I learned it. So when I first started my business back in 2015, I started, like everyone, running Facebook ads and Google ads to drive people to my website, right? So traffic was good, I was checking analytics, everything was okay, but the results were poor. So I needed to pay almost 250 euros on average to have a single person book a call with me, which was quite costly back then, because during the call, most of my prospects were not deciding to buy from me. So I couldn't actually break even with my ads. I was hardly breaking even. So that increased the cost to close a client and also resulted huge sales cycle, months to close a single client. It was obvious that I needed to find out a solution. So I decided to stop everything, stop all my campaigns, and went back to Facebook and checked every possible ad and offer in my industry and similar industries to see how others are doing it. So I tried to identify a pattern. I was looking for a pattern, an element that was used in all those ads and offers that I also needed to add to my offer and my website and my ads. The ads look similar to mine, so I decided not to do much by changing the ad, but when I clicked those ads and checked their websites and landing pages, then I saw it. It was there. It was so obvious. That was the moment I realized all those offers had an expiration date or a countdown clock or limited availability notice, so limited stock, or I will accept only 5 people for this. So I did some quick research in Google and I confirmed my discovery. It wasn't actually a discovery, of course. It wasn't much of a discovery because it was really simple, but I never used that. So people buy easier when there is fear of missing out. Remember, people buy with emotions and justify the purchases with logic. So regardless how good your offer is, how well written your website content is, and how well you describe the advantages of your offer, if the prospect is not connected with you emotionally, with your offer emotionally, he or she will not buy, or the sales will be low. One of the major emotions is fear. Bear with me for a moment because I hear some of you thinking, wow, this sounds unethical. Is it? Let's think a little bit about that. Your offer is amazing, okay? You're practically doing people a favor by selling your products, right? So why don't you use a tactic to lower their buying resistance and eventually have the chance to help them? Furthermore, if your offer is so amazing, the value is much higher than the price they're paying. So you just can't leave this running forever, right? So why don't you tell that to people? I will not leave that running forever. I will stop it on Friday. I will stop it in 2 days. So if you're offering services, having a time limit or expiration date will also bring you only the action takers. So only these people will come at your doorstep and not some guy who needs 2 weeks to decide if he needs your service. So add the element of scarcity in your offers. You'll be amazed by the results. Now, you can use several options here. Limited stock if you're selling physical goods because your stock is actually limited, right? Or you want a limited items to be on offer. Expiry date if you're selling services. I will be selling that up to Friday, up to Monday. Limited spots if you're offering webinars or coaching, something that demands their presence. And before I go, I will also give you an amazing offer using scarcity by myself. If you go to my website, ubersalesbooster.com, you will see the link below. You can book a call with me for free. Okay? That is my offer. I will help you set up your offer, use scarcity, and bring more sales in a brief one-on-one training call. Okay? But as you can see, this offer expires tomorrow. So this is me using scarcity. Now, go to my page. That is ubersalesbooster.com. Click the link and let's talk. That was Panagiotis signing off. And remember, A full pipeline is the only way.